Hello student, today we are going to learn what is pressure, what is atmospheric pressure, what is absolute pressure, what is gauge pressure, what is vacuum pressure, and what is NTP and STP. First, what is pressure? Pressure is defined as the normal force exerted by a system per unit area of the boundary surface. Pressure P denoted by P equal to F by A, where F equal to force acting on an area A. Here, pressure mainly deals with a gas or liquid. Now, what is unit of pressure? Pressure is measured in Newton per square meter, which is called Pascal PA, Newton per meter square in SI unit, in MKS unit, kgf per centimeter square. 1 PA equal to 1 Newton per meter square. 1 kPa equal to 10 to the power 3 PA equal to 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square. Okay. 1 MPa equal to 10 to the power 6 PA or equal to 10 to the power 6 Newton per meter square. PA equal to Newton per meter square. 1 GPa equal to 10 to the power 9 PA. 1 bar equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. 1 torr, TORR, torr equal to 1 millimeter of Hg pressure. Okay. Now, this is the figure of relation between absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure and gauge pressure. This is the absolute zero pressure line, P equal to 0. Here perfect vacuum. This is the atmospheric pressure. This is the atmospheric pressure. Above atmospheric pressure, this is the gauge pressure, positive pressure. This is the absolute pressure. Absolute pressure equal to atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure. This is the figure of relation between absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure and vacuum pressure. This is the zero pressure line, P equal to 0, perfect vacuum line. This is the atmospheric pressure, this is atmospheric pressure. This is the absolute pressure, atmospheric pressure. Below this pressure is vacuum pressure or negative gauge pressure. So absolute pressure equal to atmospheric pressure minus vacuum pressure. Okay, it is clear? Now, what is atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure is also known as barometric pressure, is defined as the force per unit area exerted against a surface by the weight of the atmosphere or air above the surface. Okay. Atmospheric pressure at sea level, P ATM equal to 101325 Newton per meter square at sea level at 15 degrees centigrade, equal to 760 millimeter of Hg pressure. Okay. Now, what is absolute pressure? The actual pressure at a given position is called absolute pressure, P suffix ABS. The pressure which is measured above the absolute line or completely vacuum. Okay, pressure measured above the absolute line is called absolute pressure. Now, what is gauge pressure? The pressure which is measured above the atmospheric pressure is called gauge pressure. It is measured by pressure measuring instrument in which the atmospheric pressure is taken as datum. Okay, that is in scale atmospheric pressure it marked as 0. Okay, absolute pressure equal to P atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure, P ABS equal to P ATM plus P gauge. Okay. Now, what is vacuum pressure? The pressure measured below the atmospheric pressure is called vacuum pressure or negative gauge pressure. Okay. P absolute pressure equal to P ATM atmospheric pressure minus P vacuum pressure. This is the relation. 1 atmospheric pressure equal to 101325 Newton per meter square or Pascal at sea level at 15 degrees centigrade equal to 1.01325 bar equal to 760 millimeter of Hg pressure or equal to 10.33 meter of water pressure in respect of water. This is in respect of mercury. Okay. Therefore, we remember this 1 millimeter of Hg equal to 101325 by 760 Newton per meter square. That means 1 millimeter of Hg equal to 133.3 Newton per meter square. Okay. Again, 1 Newton per meter square equal to 760 by 101325 millimeter of Hg. So 1 Newton per meter square equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter of Hg. Okay. What is normal temperature and pressure? What is NTP? The conditions of temperature and pressure at 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin temperature and 760 millimeter of Hg pressure are termed as normal temperature and pressure. In brief, it is known as NTP. Okay. Now, what is standard temperature and pressure? What is STP? The temperature and pressure of any gas under standard atmospheric condition is taken as 15 degrees centigrade or 288 Kelvin and 760 millimeter of Hg respectively. Okay. Now, name of some pressure measuring instrument. Name of some pressure measuring instrument. Manometer. Next, barometer. Next, elastic pressure transducer. Next, bound on pressure gauge. Okay, these are all pressure measuring instrument. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.